Hello everybody, how are you? Today we are going to talk about the relation between the two roots of the second degree equation and the coefficient of its terms. Look at with me question number 1. Without solving the equation, find the sum and product of two roots of each of the following equation. Number 1, x power 2 plus 3x subtract 10 equal 0. Let L and M the two roots of the equation. We can find the summation between L and M. L plus M equal negative coefficient of x over coefficient of x power 2 equal negative 3, and L multiply M coefficient constant number negative 10 over coefficient of x power 2 equal 1. The result will be negative 10. It's okay. So we have two numbers, summation of them equal negative 3 and multiply of them equal negative 10. You want to find the sum and product. Okay, we finished now. Another example, number 2, x power 2 subtract negative 5 plus 6 equals 0. First, we can find summation between two roots L and M. Negative 5, we will convert sign about 5. It will be 5 over coefficient of x power 2. The result will be 5, and we can find multiply them. The two roots L and M, multiply L multiply M equal 6 over 1. We have constant 6 and coefficient 1, 6 over 1 equals 6. Question number 3, 4x to power 2 plus 4x subtract 35 equals 0. We can find summation L plus M, the sum of two roots, and the product. We can find L plus M, the sum and product of two roots. Okay, L plus M, we can find the coefficient of x, it's 4, and we will convert this sign, negative 4 over 4, it will be negative 1, and multiply with the product of two roots equal negative 35 over 4, negative 35 over 4. Question number 4, 2x power 2 subtract 7x subtract 6 equal 0. We can find the sum and the product of two roots. Okay, L and M are two roots. L plus M equals 7. We will convert sign here. Negative 7 will be 7 over 2, and the product between L and M equal negative 6 over 2 equal negative 3. It's okay. Question number 5, 3x to power 2 subtract 4 equal 0. We know A equal 3 and B equal 0 and C equal negative 4. So we can find the sum of two roots L plus M equal negative B over A equals 0, and the product between L and M equal the constant number over A. Okay, constant number over A. C over A, C equal negative 4 over A 3. The result will be negative 4 over 3. It's okay. Question number 6, x to the power 2 subtract 3x equal 0. First, we know A equal 1, B equal -3, and C equal 0. So the sum of the two roots equal L plus M equal -3. We will convert it to 3 over 1. The result will be 3. So the sum of two products equal 3. The product of two roots equal 0 over 1 equal 0. It's okay. We find the multiply between L and M by dividing C over A, C over A, and the sum we find it by divided between -b over A. So we can solve any examples by this method. Okay, it's very easy for you. Pay attention with me about question 7. 3x to power 2 equal 23x subtract 30. We must convert the shape. We're moving this direction, 23x -30 to left hand side. 3x power 2 subtract 23x plus 30 equals 0. So we can find the sum of two roots and the product of two roots. The sum equal -23 multiply negative, convert to 23 over 3, and the product between L and M equal 30 over 3 equal 10. Okay, look at with me question number 8. Question 8. 4x plus 1 in parentheses multiply x plus 6 in parentheses equal x subtract 2 multiply 3x subtract 4. We must simplest. Who can solve it with me? Look at now. We'll distribute 4x multiply x equal 4x power 2, 4x power 2, 4x multiply 6 equal 24x, 1 multiply x equal x, 1 multiply 6 equal 6, equal x multiply 3x, 3x power 2, -4x, -2 multiply 3x equal -6x, and negative times negative equal positive. 2 times 4 equal 8. Four x power 2 plus 25x. We find the result between 24x and x equals 25x plus 6 equal 3x power 2 subtract 10x plus 8. Look at 3x power 2, convert by left hand side. 4x power 2 subtract 3x power 2 equal x power 2. 25x plus 10x equal 20, convert to 25, convert to 35, because we're moving -10x to left hand side and convert the side. Plus x subtract 8 equal -2 equal 0. Again 4x power 2, 6, 25, 3x power 2, -10x, 8, -2, 35x x power 2. So we can find the sum between two roots L plus M equal negative coefficient of x over coefficient of x power 2. -35 over 1 equal -35. The product between L and M equal -2 over 1 equal negative 2. It's easy for you. You must know the rule to solve any equation. Okay, it's the rule between L and M, the sum and product. So we must simplify the equation first. Okay, it's easy. Okay, we will moving now to number 9. Look with me here. X over 2 plus 1 over x equal 3 over 2. First, we can simplify this equation. Who can solve it? We can find the result by multiply by 2x to cancel 2 and x in denominator. 2x. So we can find the result by multiply by right hand side and left hand side by 2x. Okay, 2x multiply by x over 2 plus 2x multiply by 1 over x, because 2x it's the highest common factor or least common factor between denominator. Least common factor between denominator 2x, because 2 times x equals x. We have another method. I will solve another method when I finished it. Okay, 3 over 2 multiply by 2x. 2 over 2 equal 1, x multiply x equals over 2, x equal 1, 1 times 2 equal 2, 2 divided by 2 equal 1, 3 multiply x equal 3x, and we can find the result moving 3x by left hand side equal negative 3x plus 2 equal 0. It's the first another method, or someone can solve it by another method. Look at with me. X over 2 plus 1 over x equal 3 over 2. First, we can multiply 2x here, and x times x equal x over 2, and 2 times 1 equal 2 equal 3 over 2, and we will cancel 2 by 2, and then write x over 2 plus 2 equal 3x. So we can find this result. Okay, it's easy. You can use this method or this method as you like. X power 2 subtract 3x plus 2 equal 0. This is the equation, and we can find the sum between two root L plus M and L multiply M, the product and the sum. Okay, about this equation, the sum equal 3, negative 3 multiply negative, convert to positive over 1, because it's x power 2. Okay, and multiply 2 over 1 equal 2. Look at question number 10. Question number 10. 3x plus 2 over x plus 2 equal x plus 1 over x subtract 1 over x subtract 1 or minus 1. We can solve it by find the result of extremes and means, such as that these are the means and the extremes. 3x plus 2 multiply by x subtract 1, and the means x plus 2 multiply by x plus 2. 3x times x equals 3x power 2. 3x subtract 1 subtract 3x. 2 multiply x equal 2x, negative 2. We distribute 2 about with another parenthesis equal x multiply x power 2. X multiply 2 equal 2x. 1 multiply x equal x. 1 multiply 2 equal 2. 3x power 2 subtract 3x plus 2x, subtract 2 subtract x power 2, subtract 2x subtract x subtract 2 equals 0. We moving all this division by left hand side. 3x power 2 subtract x power 2 equal 2x power 2. Negative 3x plus 2x equal negative x. Subtract 2. Negative 2x plus negative x equal negative 3x plus 2 equals 0. 2x power 2. Subtract x, subtract 3x, subtract 4x. Negative 2 and negative 2, negative 4. So we will finish the equation with the simplest form. Now we can find L plus M, the sum of two roots, because L and M are two roots. So the result will be negative 4 converted by 4, or you can simplest it. Someone can simplify it by divided by 2 again. So the result will be x power 2. This equation convert to x power 2. Now subtract 2x plus 2 equals 0. So L plus M, the sum of two roots, equal 4 over 2 equal to, or negative 2 over 1 equal to again. Or you can solve about this equation and this equation. It's easy for you, but you must simplify it. Okay, we must simplify it first. In any equation you have, you must simplify it. So the product between two roots L and M equal negative 4 over 2 or negative 2 over 1. Negative 4 over 2 equal negative 2. Question number 11. A minus 1 multiply by x power 2 plus x subtract a power 2 multiply x subtract 1 plus a equals 0. Look at with me. A subtract 1, it's a coefficient of x power 2, and we can find the coefficient of x by find the highest common factor between x and a power 2x. Coefficient of x equal 1, x over x equal 1, or x divided x equal 1, subtract a power 2. So we must find the coefficient of x by get x out and in parentheses 1 subtract a power 2, because x plus divided by x equal 1. A power 2 x divided by x equal a power 2, and the constant number will be 1 plus a. It's a constant. Okay, so this is the equation. We can find the sum of two product, negative of coefficient power x, negative 1 subtract a power 2 in parentheses over a subtract 1. We can multiply negative about numerator. It will be a power 2 subtract, convert here to positive, and multiply negative, multiply 1 equal 1. A power 2 subtract 1 over a1. We can factorize it to a subtract 1 multiply a plus 1 over a subtract 1, and when we can cancel these brackets or parentheses with parentheses, so the L plus M, the sum between L and M, or the sum of two root equal a plus 1, and multiply L and M equal, we can find the coefficient of x power 2 and the constant. We can find the result between constant over coefficient of x power 2. The constant 1 plus a over a subtract 1. Okay, we can find the result about 1 plus a over a subtract 1, because a plus a plus 1 or 1 plus a can be divided between or by a subtract 1. Okay, question number 12. Are you understood? It's easy for you. You must write with me in your notebook to know all the steps. Okay, we must write all the steps in your notebook. Okay, question number 12. A plus b multiplied by x power 2 plus a power 2 subtract b power 2 multiply x plus a power 2 plus 2ab plus p power 2 equals 0. Look at with me about this equation. We have a and p and c. It's a constant. Okay, so we can find the sum between two roots l plus m equal negative a plus b negative a power 2 subtract b power 2, sorry. Okay, coefficient of x negative a power 2 subtract b power 2 over a plus b, and we can simplify it negative a power 2 plus p power 2 over a plus b. We can write it p power 2 subtract a power 2 over a plus b, and then we can simplify the numerator b subtract a multiply p plus a over p plus a, and we can cancel it, and then the result will be p subtract a. So the product or the sum between two roots equal b subtract a. It's okay for you? Again, we can find the sum between L and M, negative coefficient of x, negative multiply all parentheses. We will convert the sign about a power 2 and the b power 2, negative a power 2 plus b power 2 over a plus b. We can factorize it, b power 2 subtract a, because we're moving the two term, p power 2 subtract a power 2, b subtract a multiply b plus a over b plus a. The result will be b subtract a because we cancelled b plus a over with b plus a. And look at me with me, L multiply m, the product between two products. We can find the coefficient a power 2 plus 2ab plus b power 2 over what? Over a plus b, coefficient of x power 2, a plus b. We can simplify this equation by factorizing a and a. We have two numbers, multiply with them equal a power 2, a, and b plus. It's a perfect equation, perfect square. A over b, we cancel that, so multiply between L and M equal a plus b. So we find the sum and the product of two roots. Okay, I will complete another question in another video. Goodbye. Thank you to look at these questions. You must write all these questions in your notebook and study hard